I saw a picture of my back the other day. It's actually the first time ever I've seen my back. And I thought to myself, how odd. Everybody else is seeing my back, but not me. So what else are they seeing about me, learning about me, knowing about me that I don't know? Is it something they see in my communication style? Is it something, I don't know, my blind spots? What about my mannerisms? I thought, wow, people have data, in inverted commas, about me that I don't even know myself. And then I thought, okay, there's a really big lesson in here. When we are building executive presence, would it be a great idea? Remember, the first stage is to earn the support. And take the example of a new hire. I wonder what, after 2 interviews, what they already know about you that they think will help or hinder the partnership going forward. Maybe it'd be an idea to ask, what do you now know that makes you feel comfortable? What is it that you know from seeing my back, seeing the unknowns that leaves a question mark? And what is it that you don't know that you'd like to know? Imagine the power of that when you're building a new partnership with an investor or a new business partner. Wow. So actively seek out from others. What do they already know? You'll learn something there. What would they like to know that they don't know? And both of those could fit into that would help or would hinder this relationship. Because the more you know that they know, the more we're drawing commonality and the more the relationship has a great opportunity to grow from the very beginning.